Hi everyone, I am Jeremy Amores and here I will be discussing about a historical talk that historians have been arguing for so many years. Bibigyan ko kayo ng chismis about it. And I'm obviously talking about the controversy of the first mass. So here is the big question. Where did it actually happen? Saan nga ba naganap yun? Was it in Limasawa or was it in Butuan? So here are the two main contenders. First, we have the traditional claim which is in Limasawa. It is a small island in southern Leyte. On the other hand naman, we have the alternative claim which points to Masao area in Butuan. For a long time, people actually believe it was in Butuan. But modern historians have shifted the focus back to Limasawa. You might ask, why? Bakit Jera? Bakit sa Limasawa, Jera? Bakit hindi sa Butuan? Well, it all comes down to the receipt. Historians look at the journals of Antonio Pigafetta. Kilala naman siguro natin si Antonio Pigafetta, who was the official chronicler on Magellan's ship. Here is the evidence they found. Pigafetta actually recorded the latitude as 9 and 2/3 degrees north. And if you look at the map today, that coordinate points directly to Limasawa, not Butuan. Taray, may resibo. Pigafetta clearly described Mazawa as an island. This is a big deal because Butuan is part of the Mindanao mainland, so it doesn't really fit the description. It all makes sense, right? If you track their travel to route from Mazawa to Cebu, starting from Limasawa makes the most geographical sense for the ships at the time. Because of these primary sources, the Government Historical Commission officially supported Limasawa as the true site. Even though the debate still gets heated in some circle, the written records from the people who were actually there tell a pretty clear story. And that's the breakdown of the first mass controversy. I hope you enjoyed the knowledge. Bye-bye!